A Samsung dryer may not be heating due to several reasons, including the Eco Dry feature being enabled, power supply issues, or a clogged vent. To address these problems, start by disabling the Eco Dry function. Begin a drying cycle and check if the Eco Dry button's indicator is on. Then press the button to turn it off and see if the issue persists. Next, inspect the dryer's power supply by checking the circuit breaker to ensure it hasn't tripped, and examine the power cord for any signs of wear or damage. Use a multimeter to verify the voltage in the dryer's wall outlet, which should be 240 volts for a Samsung dryer. If the reading is lower, consider consulting an electrician. Additionally, check the screen for error codes such as 9C1, 9E, or 9E1. To unclog the vent, unplug the dryer and clean the lint filter by removing any excess lint by hand, then rinsing it with warm running water. Pull the dryer away from the wall, disconnect the vent pipe, and use a vacuum cleaner with a brush attachment to clear any blockages in the vent and clean the vent hood. Once completed, reattach the ductwork and restore power to the dryer. By following these steps, the issue with the Samsung dryer not heating should be resolved.